game. It's a rich thing.
Welcome everyone to Pivotal Stats, where we talk about data analysis techniques, business intelligence platforms, and much more. So let's go. Hey everyone. Today we're going to look at another AI visual which is called key influencers. And what this view allows you to do is quite astounding. It enables you to do a regression analysis on your data. If I explain what regression analysis means, it's a statistical method that allows you to examine the relationship between two or more variables of your interest. At the core, what it does is it examines the influence of one or more independent variables on a particular dependent variable. Apart from regression analysis, key influencer also helps you segment or classify your data. Now, I'll show you how this can be done. So for today, the dataset I'm using is a dataset that I downloaded from Kaggle. It contains a list of video games with sales greater than 100,000 copies, along with some other key information like ranking, platform, and year of release, genre, etc. And the requirement for today is we've got a column which has the total global sales value for each video game title. Now what we have to do is we have to identify the key influencers that are affecting the global sales. Okay, and when I mean key influencer, we have to identify out of these 4 attributes that we have: platform, year, genre, and publisher, what are the key influencers. Okay, so let's see how it's done using the key influencer visual. Let's click on this key influencer here. And by the way, you can get to the key influencer by clicking on this visual as well in the visualization pane. Let's expand it a little bit. Similar to the decomposition tree, we also have analyze and explain by section in this visual as well. So I'm going to use the global sales figure inside the analyze tab. Okay. The moment you import something, you have 2 tabs here, key influencer and top segments. Okay. And then you have a drop down which says increase or decrease. Okay. So basically what this visual is trying to do is trying to identify what are the key factors which can help global sales increase or decrease. Okay. So for now, we're going to keep it as increase. And then let's include the attributes that we mentioned earlier. So year, publisher, platform, and genre. So if you see, the moment you enter the attributes into the explain by section here, this visual has automatically done all the statistical calculation at the back end, and you don't have to worry about anything else. And it has straight away given you the results stating that only publisher and platform have an impact on the global sales number. Year and genre does not have any impact. But let's try to change this drop down from increase to decrease. Now the results have drastically changed. The visual is indicating that all 4 factors, all 4 attributes are contributing towards the average decrease of global sales in some manner, right? And you can see the details about each attribute by clicking on this circle here. Also, this particular visual helps you segment your data as well. By clicking on this second tab which says top segments, it has automatically created different segments of dataset which can further give you more details into your analysis. So let's click one of them. So I'm going to click on this circle here. Now it has created a segment, and segment 1 is where genre is adventure. Okay, and this says in segment 1 the average global sales is 0.19. This is 0.35 unit lower than the overall average. Okay, let me just change this to high. Now it has only created one segment. I'm going to click here, and the segment this time that it created is where genre is not adventure, genre is not platform, and the publisher is Electronic Arts. So in this scenario, in this segment of dataset, the average global sales is 0.83. This is 0.29 units higher than the overall global average. As you see, this makes it so easier for us to, first of all, do a quick regression analysis and then segment your data automatically as well. All these segments that it created was created automatically by the AI, and we had to do nothing in order to create these segments, right? This classification or clustering of data. Now, I'm also in the process of learning the AI capabilities that Power BI offers. So I'm going to continue that learning journey and try to bring much more detailed video on a full-fledged data analysis project where we will be using all these visuals inside that project and try to derive insights out of it. So stay tuned for that. And if you're liking my content, please do remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.